Welcome to my channel. This is Ronald Borja. uh, I have $8.75. Then when I do the live streaming, one of my bloggers gave me 250 yen, so that's around $2.37. So I wish and pray I got this on in 2 or 3 days, so I can get the Google AdSense pin. And I'm on the way to reaching $100 to really uh, gain the money and receive the money from YouTube company. So I thank the YouTube company studios for giving me the opportunity, and at the same time, I think this is my 10 days of being a monetized channel. It's not actually easy, but it's fun because you make friends to every people that doing blogging at the same time, those who are interested really watching your channel. So I will make my very best, since I'm an educator. I'm a teacher at the public school here in American Samoa, so I will do more entertaining, educational, funny, entertainment, and etc. So good luck to all the bloggers around the world who are doing blogging at the same time, enjoying the company of the people watching on YouTube. And at the same time, I think also all the advertisement and the businesses connected to YouTube studio company, because they are the one who at least make money, even though it just a cents, but the cents, if you make it together, it will make more money. And at the same time, I think all my bloggers, my friends, my supporters, my American Samoa students, American Samoa audiences, even in the States and in 27 countries, watching my channel at the same time. Even though sometimes my views are really not even really much, but I'm doing my very best to do what it takes to be a blogger at the same time, of course, to make money. And I know it's not an easy task. It's like one viral make a difference, and YouTube will promote your channel at the same time, right? But this is I think my 176 days. I monetize 165 days, and to be qualified on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hour. And to do that, you need perseverance and hard work, and you need people around. So I thank those people who really support me, and I'm gonna do this until I reach the top, because as of the moment, we're not big time YouTuber yet. We're just a small time YouTuber with 3,000 subscribers plus, with 370,000 minutes, wherein we reach already the 240,000 minutes. And again, I thank God for the YouTube company. At least we have something to do, especially OFW around the world who are really needs people to talk with. And being a YouTuber is expressing yourself and create something that is really different. So I thank all the advertisement again, and good luck to us, and may we have more viewings, more to come. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, comment to my channel. Bye bye.